For many businesses, controlling costs is critical to success, especially when it comes to high-traffic locations and buildings. And your approach to managing your washroom can make a difference. Washrooms can account for a large part of the cost of servicing a facility, as 90% of this cost is labor, and 17% of the time is spent in refilling dispensers. There is a more efficient way. The choices you make for your washroom can make an impact on your overall productivity. Easy to service, fast to refill, and continuous supply washroom systems in high-traffic areas can make a big difference. So is your washroom delivering optimum efficiency? It's time to unlock the potential of your washroom. Our Scott Essential solutions offer reliable efficiency where consistency, quality, and overall value is key. The Scott Essential Rolled Hand Towel System is the longest on the market. Our unique compression technology delivers 25% more product, more hand dries, meaning fewer refills and time saved. The unique stub roll feature ensures that every last towel is dispensed one by one. The Scott Essential Jumbo Roll Toilet Tissue System has double capacity to improve operational efficiency. Each roll is 5 times longer than a standard roll. It has reliable flushability to prevent blockages, and it's even 100% recycled. And Scott Essential Foam Soap Everyday Use Cleaner delivers 2.5 times more hand washes than liquid soap without compromising on effective hand hygiene and care. It's also designed with cleaning staff in mind, and the cartridge can be changed in 6 seconds. Unlock the potential of your washroom with Scott Essential solutions for reliable efficiency.